Hi guys, today I got this notification when I'm going to open my WhatsApp from my computer. That means now here is the WhatsApp app. When I'm going to open it, I'm getting this error. The code execution cannot proceed because fmmpeg.dll was not found. Reinstalling the problem may fix this problem. That means now I cannot open my WhatsApp account from my computer because I don't have this FFmpeg.dll. That means this is a C-sharp program file and it is not available. It is a Microsoft file, and when I'm going to do my system performance in a way when I'm deleting some files, this file also has got deleted. Therefore, I cannot open my WhatsApp now from my desktop. So how should I resolve this problem? I feel like doing two things. One thing is reinstalling this program, FFmpeg.dll. Okay, to get this program, I have to go to any of browsers and search for this file, this program file. Or otherwise, we will try our normal way when we are getting this type of program. What we are doing, we are reinstalling the whole app and we are trying out that one. I will go like this. I will go to the control panel. I will go to the control panel, and yeah, I will just reinstall the app. This one, uninstall the program. Here, uninstall my WhatsApp. Okay, just search here WhatsApp. This one, the app. Just click this one and uninstall this program. This, this, right on WhatsApp. Yes, delete now. Right. Okay, WhatsApp has already deleted. That's why the problem has come like that way. Uh, so what I want to do, I want to now again install WhatsApp desktop application. Install WhatsApp for Windows. This 10. Locate it from here. WhatsApp. It's free download. Locate it here. Windows. Now that WhatsApp setup is 125. Okay, has got downloaded the music file. That's expired. Now I can go to do and get you on this one. Install. The normal way when I'm going to install a software, I can install this. This you can get some time to read the process. Now, the time, check whether I have the thing. Now it is to and now the new WhatsApp. Right. Now all those things working properly. Right? That means you can easily do like that way. Okay. When I'm going, my second option is uh, downloading FFM and PGDLL file. But there I have to go to the relevant Microsoft file and copy and paste the program file there. But it will be little bit difficult. But reinstalling this type of small software will be fine when you want to resolve this problem. Okay, thank you very much.